Changing your phone number on Apple Pay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information easily. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where you manage your Apple Pay settings and payment methods. Step 2. Access your Apple Pay card. Tap on the card you want to update. This will bring up the details of the card, including your payment information. Step 3. Tap on I icon. Look for the information icon, the letter I, in the bottom right corner of the card screen. Tap on it to access the card settings. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find the section for your phone number. Tap on it and enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, look for a Save or Done option and tap it to confirm your changes. Your new phone number should now be updated in Apple Pay. Once you've completed these steps, your phone number will be changed in Apple Pay. If you encounter any issues, consider restarting your device or checking for updates.